Imagine pouring a few drops of dishwashing liquid onto a greasy pan. Within seconds, the grease disappears as if by magic. But here's what nobody tells you. Those tiny drops begin a journey thousands of kilometers away, long before they reach your kitchen. Today, we're stepping inside the incredible world of dishwashing liquid manufacturing, where chemistry, giant machines, and human precision come together to create one of the most used cleaning products on Earth. Most people never think about what goes into a bottle of dishwashing liquid. It's far more than soap and water. Every batch combines carefully selected ingredients from different parts of the world, each chosen to cut grease, create rich foam, and stay gentle on your hands. And this is where the journey becomes truly fascinating. The most important ingredient is a cleaning agent called a surfactant. Many manufacturers produce it from natural palm kernel or coconut oil sourced from countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, while others use petroleum-based raw materials refined in large chemical plants. After careful processing, these ingredients arrive at the factory with purity levels often exceeding 95%, ready for production. Next come purified water, salt, fragrances, colorants, preservatives, and skin conditioning additives. Every ingredient passes strict quality checks before entering production. Even a tiny variation can change a liquid's thickness, cleaning power, or fragrance. What happens after these ingredients meet inside giant mixing tanks is something most people never get to see. Before the first bottle is ever filled, every ingredient follows a carefully controlled path through pumps, filters, and storage systems designed for perfect consistency. One small mistake could ruin thousands of liters in minutes. In the next stage, we'll step onto the factory floor and watch these simple ingredients transform into millions of bottles of sparkling dishwashing liquid. Now the real transformation begins. Purified water flows into giant stainless steel mixing tanks before the surfactants are added. Powerful industrial mixers spin at around 100 to 300 revolutions per minute, blending the ingredients for 20 to 40 minutes. The sound of the rotating blades fills the factory as a clear liquid slowly becomes thick and silky. The mixture stays at a controlled temperature of about 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, 77 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, to protect the ingredients. Salt is added little by little to adjust the thickness, while fragrances and colors create the product's final look and scent. Imagine the fresh citrus aroma spreading through production hall as every ingredient blends into perfect harmony. Before bottling, the finished liquid passes through fine filters that remove even the smallest impurities. Automatic sensors measure its thickness, pH, and clarity in seconds. If anything falls outside the required limits, the batch stops immediately for inspection. Quality comes before speed every single time. Finally, high-speed filling machines take over. Empty bottles race along conveyor belts while precision nozzles fill hundreds of bottles every minute without spilling a single drop. Caps twist on automatically, labels wrap around each bottle, and the finished products move toward packaging. But one final challenge still remains before these bottles can reach your home. Before a single bottle leaves the factory, advanced technology takes control. Smart sensors, AI power cameras, and automated inspection systems examine every bottle for the correct fill level, label position, and cap seal. In just a fraction of a second, defective bottles are removed from production line. The quality control laboratory tests every production batch. Experts check the pH level, viscosity, foam performance, fragrance, and cleaning power. Even the bottle itself must survive drop and leak tests before it earns approval. Only products that meet strict international quality standards move forward. But here's something surprising. Machines don't do everything. Experienced technicians still inspect random bottles by hand, checking the color, texture, and fragrance with trained sensors that technology can't fully replace. Human expertise remains one of the factory's greatest quality tools. After passing every inspection, the bottles are packed into cartons, stacked by robotic palletizers, and prepared for shipment across the world. Their journey through the factory is complete, but the global story behind these everyday bottles is even more incredible. Let's discover it next. Every year, billions of bottles of dishwashing liquid are produced around the world. The global market is worth tens of billions of US dollars, with major production centered in China, the United States, India, Germany, and Japan. Millions of people work across the supply chain, from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing, packaging, and delivering the finished product. Think about this. Almost every modern kitchen relies on a product made through this remarkable process. Did you know that early dishwashing cleaners were simple soap mixtures? Today's formulas clean faster, use less water, and many are now made with biodegradable ingredients to reduce environmental impact. As factories become smarter and more automated, the next generation of dishwashing liquids will become even more efficient and sustainable. From natural oils and carefully refined ingredients to giant mixing tanks, precision laboratories, and high-speed filling lines, every bottle tells a story of science, engineering, and human skill. The next time you wash a single plate, you'll know there's an incredible journey hidden inside every drop. The next time you hold one of these in your hands, remember, it didn't just appear. It was born from the earth, shaped by fire, perfected by technology, and approved by the strictest standards in the world. That's not just a product. That's a masterpiece of human engineering. If you want to go deeper into the hidden world of manufacturing, tell us in the comments what product you'd like to explore next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory.